Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a small haul from none other than Dooney Bourke. And these are some items that I picked up during the Dooney Bourke 25% off sale about a week or so ago, and they finally came in a couple days ago, so I thought that I would do a quick unboxing and share the items that I picked up with you guys. So if you are interested in seeing what accessories I picked up, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So let me first share with you the bag of the day, which is my Dooney Bourke calf leather O-ring sack in the color Sunset. You guys, beautiful bag. This is not a bag that I normally reach for because of how slouchy it is. I'm not really into slouchy bags, and as you can see, this bag is extremely slouchy. So this bag has become my throw around bag. I don't baby it. I don't care if it has scratches or get marks or anything like that. So this is just my throw around bag, grab and go bag whenever I just want something quick and carefree. Lots and lots of room, as you can see, but it is very slouchy bag. But I do enjoy carrying her whenever I do decide to pull her out. So again, this is the bag of the day, and this is the Dooney Bourke calf leather O-ring sack in the color Sunset. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and this box actually feels a little bit lighter, so I think I know what this one is. So let's cut into this one first. And if you're a member of my Facebook group, the Dooney Den, I always mention that I am bagged out, which pretty much for me means that I have pretty much gotten all the bags that I have been craving for over the years. So I thought that I would just start to build my accessories collection. So as you guys know, I absolutely love like pouches and little coin cases and stuff like that. So that's why I decided to focus on accessories during the 25% off sale. So let's see what this one is. And like I said, I think I know what this one is. So I hope that you guys are having a fabulous day. I am. I woke up this morning. I am breathing, and I am happy, and I am excited, so I have nothing to complain about. So let's see, this one, oh, okay. This is actually a new item that I saw online, and I thought that I would give it a try. If you guys are familiar with the Coach, I think it's called a Slimmy Zip wallet or a Slimmy Zip coin case or something. But this is pretty similar to that, so I thought that I would pick this up. So this is called the City Leather Zip Top Card Case. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. This was the first item in this particular color that I decided to pick up, but I actually picked up another item before picking this one up. This was actually supposed to be my first item in this particular color. So here we are, and I am very excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Oh, this is so cute. This is exactly what I wanted. So basically, this is the City Leather Zip Top Coin Pouch in the color Caribbean Blue. as you can see here. Oh my, my. You guys, this is a keeper. This is a keeper, so I am going to take, oh, wow. I'm going to take all of this packaging off and also the tag. So, oh wow, look at this, you guys. Look at the inside. Look at this. This is in the color Caribbean blue. It has the Dooney Bourke text here. And on the inside, it's actually a pink color. Look at that. I'm not really a fan of pink, but I think it goes really, really nicely with this bag. And it has the cute little clasp here that normally comes on the keychains. I love this. It has an ID window here. Very, very pretty. Has another little slot here. And on the inside, it has another little slip pocket here. So very, very nice. Wow. And it does have the braided zipper pull. You guys, this is so cute. Look at this. Look how cute this is. Love it. So anyway, this is the first item in my accessories haul. And again, this is the City Leather zip top card case in the color Caribbean blue. Absolutely love this. So now let's get on to the second box. And I do remember one item that I purchased in this one, but I don't remember what the second item is because I ordered these maybe a couple of weeks ago during the 25% off sale. So one of these items I am very excited about because I don't own this particular accessory in the Dooney Bourke line. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so which one do I want to do first? So I am going to do what is in the box first. So as you can see, it is a Dooney Bourke box. So you probably can already tell what this is going to be. Oh, I was a little bit nervous about this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. This is the City Leather large zip around wallet in the color apricot. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Absolutely love it. It does have the wristlet strap here. And you guys have seen these wallets before, so I'm not gonna go into a ton of detail. The zipper is a little bit stiff, but I can fix that with some wax paper. And you guys have seen this wallet before. It is the accordion style, and it has several compartments on the inside. It has, if I'm not mistaken, about 12 card slots. So it has 6 on that side, and then on the other side it has 6. It has a cell phone little spot there, and it also has a zipper compartment for your coins if you want to put your coins in there. Oh, very nice. It opens nice and wide so you can fit tons of items inside of here. It has the classic text logo that all of the City Leather has. Oh my gosh, you guys. This color is beautiful. The camera is washing it out just a little bit. That is more true to color right here. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love this color. So let me do a quick comparison. I bought out one of my salmon bags just to get a quick comparison of how the salmon color in Florentine compares to this. So as you can see, salmon is the satchel and the wallet is in the apricot color. Close but not that close. So there you go. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so happy that I picked this color up. I absolutely love Dooney Bourke's larger size wallets. So I am so happy to have this one. This is a color that I have not seen at the outlets, so that's why I decided to grab this one. So here we go with the other item that I am super excited about. Oh my gosh, you guys, here is a sneak peek. Wow, let me just open it up really quick. I have been debating on if I wanted this accessory in the Florentine leather, and they do have those at the outlets at a great price, but for some reason, for a toiletry bag or a dob kit, I did not want something that delicate for something that I was going to be traveling with and just maybe throwing around. So when I saw this pop up, I grabbed it. So, oh my gosh, this is the pebbled leather dob kit in the color red. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. It has the Dooney Bourke logo right there in the front. It has these tabs on the top so you can easily get in and get out of it. The zipper goes all the way down on both sides. So let's just get into this beauty. You guys, the camera again is not doing this bag any justice at all. And this is how it opens. Oh, it even has a little dust bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, so wow, I am so glad that I pounced on this one because I have been watching it and wanting it. Wow, you guys, look at this. It has a pocket here. If you want, I'm not going to do a full review on this, but if you do want a what fits or a full review on this dob kit, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and I will do a what fits. But look at this, you guys. Oh, I actually want to carry this as a bag. It's so pretty. Wow, I have not seen pebbled leather that looks this vibrant in the color red. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to come and quickly share with you my items that I picked up during the 25% off Dooney Bourke sale. So here we are. I have the pebbled leather dob kit in the color red. I have the city leather large zipper round wallet in the color apricot. And I have the zip top coin case in the color Caribbean blue, and this is also in the city leather. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is almost as good as getting a unicorn bag. I am just so happy with these purchases. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.